Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove payment method in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to remove your payment method, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your App Store. Now in App Store, just tap on your profile option in the top right, and here just tap on your Apple ID. And here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. After verifying yourself, you just have to select this country or region option from this section. If you want to delete your payment method, including changing your country or region, or if you want to only delete your payment methods, you have to select the payment manage payments option from here. Just select this option here, and here you will get all of your payment methods you have added to your Apple ID. So once you have selected your payment method which you want to delete, it might be your Apple Pay, your credit or debit card. So you just have to select that and then tap on the remove option here. So after selecting that, just tap on the remove option from the confirmation message and your payment method will be successfully removed from your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily remove your payment method on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.